I gotta do to get through to you, I could never lose you. Maybe spend a night out on the town like we used to. We could sit around, watch funny shit on YouTube. I know at times I can have a couple screws loose. I'm trying to connect to your body, girl, like it's Bluetooth. You know what I mean, you know what I need.
We play games of love to avoid the depression.
Ang first prospect namin ay si Nabotas School Division. We talked to one of the member of procurement department. Nag-offer kami ng uniforms and giveaways, and good news na close din namin agad with the help of Rhea and John. 100 pieces na polo with Embro, then waiting na lang po ng PO. Happy ako kay John and Rhea. Ang galing nila makipag-usap sa prospect nila. I suggest na si Rhea at John ang mag-marketing. Pag nag-tandem tong dalawa na to, makakahanap agad to ng customer at future bulk orders. Ang next na pinuntahan namin ay si DILG Malabon City Hall. Customer natin to, sa atin sila nagpapagawa ng uniforms na plain with Embro. So we thrilled to offer something new to elevate at ma-raise yung pinapagawa nila sa atin. We offer corporate giveaways and souvenirs. We also discussed to them na we have website para mas makapili pa sila kung ano yung kailangan nila. Ang next prospect namin ay si Cafe Cabao. Kaka-grand opening lang nila nitong November. Wala sila masyadong uniforms at masyadong off yung ambience ng place nila, pero malaki yung coffee shop. We offer uniforms, aprons, signage menus, and tablecloths. We tried to convince them na magpagawa sa atin ng something they really need. So overall, smooth ang flow ng conversation. They will forward our letter of proposal sa manager nila. Ang next prospect namin ay si Doshi Food Hub. Isa silang restaurant at events place. So perfect to for reunion, weddings, and parties. We talked to one of their boss, so we offer uniforms, giveaways, and business card. If somehow na kailangan nila ng mga tarpaulin, banners, meron tayong mga tarpaulin na. Ang last na pinuntahan namin dahil malakas na talaga yung ulan ay si Tokyo Karage. Nag-offer kami ng full sublimation uniforms, nameplates, aprons, and giveaways for their regular customer. Nakausap natin dito ang store manager. Pupunta na lang daw siya sa store para magpagawa. I hope na ipagpatuloy nyo pa yung pagmamarket nyo para marami pa kayong mahanap na prospect. So yun lang po, salamat.